Today I have 10 Amazon game-changing products that you need in your life. I am a closeted Amazon junkie. In this box, I have a special surprise for you. We're starting out with a bang right here. I recently gave this to my friend for a big birthday. And it's a tradition that we've started in my family. Do you love s'mores? Do you love all things chocolate year-round in your house? All you need is a little rubbing alcohol. Pour it right in here. Look at that. Yes, come on, baby, light my fire. And you know, I love me a good Dollar Tree lighter. I get these every time I go in the store. So all you're gonna do is light this on fire. Watch this. Do you see that fire burning? There it goes. Give it a second. And the best part is that it came with these s'more sticks that are extendable. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing in your kitchen year round. And to put it out, all you have to do is just go ahead and cover it up. Fire gone. Now I also bought this really cute carrying case where you can put all your s'mores goodies. So if you are going outside or you just want to store this in your pantry, put it in your kitchen when it's time to s'more. There you go. I also bought something similar for my friend. I'm going to link it on screen now. And I filled it with Hershey's and I filled it with marshmallows. I even put one of these in there and one of these and a pack of baby wipes because we know with s'mores and kids there are lots of sticky fingers. Let's look inside to these secret compartments. I see somebody here was getting into the chocolate, but you can store your extra marshmallows in there. Genius! Now let's see your marshmallow. All right. Tacos. Who doesn't love an amazing taco? You can buy these taco shells that are stand and stuff. However, they do tend to tip over when they're in your plate, especially if you're traveling from one place to the other. So I found the perfect solution on Amazon that is so affordable. You can put 3 tacos in here, or you could do 2 taco style. There are 9 in a pack. And according to this, they are microwavable and dishwasher safe. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. Look at how pretty these are. While I was on Amazon, I found these really cute dinosaur ones. So if I do end up purchasing those, I will definitely be sure to share that. Do you like dinosaurs? You like dinosaurs? Yeah. Your piggies are a mess from daycare today. Can I just say, I am so impressed right now with what's happening around here. A thumbs up for these taco holders. And these dishes are all done, coming out of the dishwasher, and they look like brand spanking new. I am so excited to show you this next one. Look at this, snacks. Look at how mammoth this is. And it's see-through, so that way if you're going to a stadium or somewhere where you need something see-through, there you go. Also great for travel. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yes! I mean, look at this. The detail on here. We're taking a trip here soon, so bananas, goldfish, applesauce, granola bars, Teddy Grahams, whatever your heart desires in this big old bag. And it came in lots of different fun colors. If you're brand new here, I run a fitness channel on YouTube, so what you put into your body is oh so important. So I found some of the best cookbooks on Amazon. I am so excited to dive into these. And here's the best part. Look at this really cute cookbook stand. I am in love. 2 little pieces right here you would hook together. You can display it right in your kitchen just like so if you want to have a decorative piece, but also it's functional. Cauliflower popcorn, anyone? No, but for real, my daughter and I are going to be making these almond butter sugar cookies. So excited. Come with me to my mudroom. I have to show you something. So I originally got these massive bags that stand upright for boating. However, I found so many other uses for them, especially if you are on a road trip and you want to put this behind your seat. I'll show you here in a second, and put all your yummy snacks in there. But this fits so many things. We got 1 towel, 2 towel, 3 towel, 4 beach towels in this big bag. Don't you just hate when you have a bag and it collapses on itself? This is a problem solved. I love them so much. I actually bought 3 of them. This is the smaller version of them. It's currently housing some of my goodies for some Dollar Tree videos. Now these babies are a bit pricey, but they are 110% worth it. I mean, look at this, how easily and how nice these stand up in your vehicle. This one I can even put this way. This is also really nice if you need to reach back and grab something. When the bag's folded in on itself, it's hard to get up in there. Not to mention, it's waterproof. This next one, everybody needs one of these in their house. Look at this, it's a lint remover and it has 2 speeds. Listen to this baby. 1. Whoa, 2 max power. It came in this really nice box. The reason I love this is because it's double action, but you can charge it. No need for batteries, especially if you're doing a big object, which I'm going to show you here in just a second, in this really cute storage case. And then it came with extra little blades. I mean, look at at this fancy box. I recently used my Bissell Spot Clean Pro to clean my very beautiful white couches, and yes, I have 4 children. I have done an entire video on this. I will link in the description box below in case you are interested in it. But here's the problem. Let me show you something. Here's my couch. Do you see these little lint balls right here? They make your couch look dingy, and this couch is less than a year old, but watch this. Let's just do low speed so that you can see. It's like Pac-Man for your couch. A great way to revive your furniture, but also, of course, your sweaters. This is what's called your fluff bin. What's really satisfying is to fill this up and then dump it out. Let's just get these ones. Oh, this is so thrilling. Yes, all gone, brand new. All you gotta do is plug it in, charge it up for your next use. You're good to go. Seriously, this is so lightweight. You can use it on your stairs. You can use it in your car. I cannot say enough good things about this. My closet is legit like 90% Amazon. All of my fitness clothes on my fitness channel are from Amazon. I will have to show you these at a later video. Legit, my friend, I'm obsessed with all things Amazon. This is adorable. I will try it on for you. And then I have another whole box of goodies right here. Bloomin' Jelly, look at the packaging on this. This is amazing. Who doesn't love a really comfy sweatshirt? I am obsessed with this one. You could pair it with a cute skirt. You could pair it with jeans. Mama bear, come on. This would also make an excellent gift for a new mama. This skirt is also from Amazon. We are in fall season, so who doesn't love a really high boot? This is one way to pair this outfit if you want more of a casual look. Now, these boots are not from Amazon, but if I do find ones that are high quality and worth it, I will make a future video on that. And who doesn't love a super comfy high-waisted skirt? Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.